consider getting, and you will be immersed with a wide range of repulsions and puzzler of guarantee and reimbursement modules combined with sort of weighty financing costs that you will disregard considering getting in government-issued types of money. In any case, presently you have an answer without a doubt. The computerized resource world is here to alleviate your stresses over acquiring and loaning. The decentralized money convention isn't simply planned on blockchain calculations to figure out information-related availability and marking obstacles, yet additionally to address your frightening worries connected with acquiring and loaning. One such arrangement most certainly is given by Aave, a DeFi stage that empowers individuals to exchange computerized resources as well as gives choices to loan and get crypto. Like government-issued types of money, loan specialists of digital currencies likewise, all things considered, get revenue, and borrowers pay revenue on digital forms of money too in a significant manner. The framework goes through no adjustment of component versus government-issued types of money. As per Aave cost forecast, Aave has made the whole framework generally most certainly simple and conceivable to an everyday person, putting his cash-related stresses very still. The Aave benefit. Computerized resource holders profit all benefits of getting and loaning, since the very local symbolic Aave gives a markdown to the individual dealing with the crypto on the stage. Like kind of different monetary forms, Aave too sort of is administered by market feelings and dealers' effective money management designs. The symbolic advantages to financial backers are tremendous, and Aave is focused on acquiring financial backers' trust with a plenty of highlights, basically bait an ever-increasing number of dealers too as time passes. Aave additionally offers fixed and variable loan costs and permits clients to exchange their preferred money, or so they thought. Aave, the street ahead. What's to come is very really splendid for Aave, as the corporate basically has truly imagined an unselfish vision for Aave. With a plenty of developments prepared, the market bend has generally sure signs for Aave, which is genuinely huge. In any case, specialists have shown long-haul crypto expectations as extremely high that in a real sense urge financial backers and merchants to, in every practical sense, feel free to put resources into this digital currency and a light market with certainty, wiping out the intricacies of the decentralized biological system. Aave has been made with the sole goal of a multi-useful and multi-purpose benefit in varying backgrounds. Aave, verifiable examination. Incredibly, the brain science of clients assumes a vital part in the crypto market feeling. Costs are exceptionally delicate to the group's psychological methodology towards giving a push to any crypto token. Aave also is no exemption. The dormancy that at first played for Aave in sort of last year is no more there, as the token truly has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers and merchants. The downswing that played for Aave in 2020 vanished in the scenery of its mechanical arrangements, which truly is genuinely critical. A regularly and distinctly noticed characteristic of Aave is that it explicitly has shown the most unpredictable and fluctuating way of behaving. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with descending bear nailing down development. Aave value conjecture, market feeling. While certain specialists have a hopeful view on Aave cost, expressing the coin might beat its really rival digital forms of money, others hold their cards generally hidden from everyone else. In light of our estimates, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $7.37. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 732.86%. Aave cost is said to record a decent pinnacle of $189.48, a base cost of $128.84 before the year's over 2022, which in every practical sense makes certain to scale. The greatest milestone triumph for Aave cost basically is that it would cross $1,200, and it will be worth to wager on Aave in 2022 according to our conjecture. The next few years will show up as a smooth time for Aave. As per our Aave cost expectation 2022, the cost could exchange around $198.52 before the current year's over. As indicated by our cost forecasts, Aave cost could exchange around $907.88 toward the finish of 2022 and $5,274.25 toward the finish of 2026. The value expectations of different specialists in every practical sense don't really discourage the coin from outflanking the adversary coins using any and all means, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Aave People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, regardless. Aave will by and large outperform the assumptions for all digital currency financial backers who have found this stage incredibly intelligent and straightforward. Or so they thought. The ongoing cost of Aave waits around $146.32 with a market capitalization of $1,952,817,652.22, with an exchanging volume of $305,349,990.34. The best tips to put resources into Aave will be to fundamentally purchase on plunges. As of now, Aave is at the pinnacle. despite the fact that there could be misdirecting treat for us as far as Aave. Similar to any very other digital money, it generally is shrewd to in a real sense hang tight for one more round of up bullish push, or so they thought. Despite the fact that other major crypto Goliaths appear to be getting online entertainment publicity, Aave will for sure consistently show a positive example, continually rising. And the impending years will be one of the most outstanding times of Aave, with value expectations of at least $1,200 for fundamentally certain. Aave Value Forecast 2022 in an unpretentious manner. With organizations and coalitions and local area financing, the market glances back at Aave to perform, arriving at a typical degree of $181.15, which is very hopeful yet doubtlessly plausible. Aave Value Expectation 2023, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. With any progressions in GOFT, strategies and guidelines, Aave Cost may too have its portion of dim days. Aave Cost ought to in every way that really matters, sail smoothly at $249.73 or max do homage $224.67, making it not dive yet play predictable. Aave Value Expectation 2024. Aave Cost pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful development way. The coin may basically fill quickly, particularly for unions. New organizations would carry Aave convention to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded digital currency, taking Aave Cost around $241.23. Aave Value Expectation 2025. All the while, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which may explicitly demonstrate an intense test for digital currencies that are opponents of Aave. The cost skyline in every practical sense is really splendid for Aave. It doesn't exclusively put money on decentralization, in spite of prevalent thinking. As indicated by our cost expectations, Aave could exchange around the $335.63 mark toward the finish of 2025. Aave Value Forecast 2026. Having seen a monstrous DApp reception somewhat recently that really drove the cost of Aave in an unobtrusive manner, from the very start of 2026, Aave has checked enormous development. In the beginning of 2026, it could cross the $303.98 cost mark, however later confronted amendment and keep on exchanging around $275.96. The token generally is acquiring prominence among financial backers, and the Aave cost is set to take off to a typical cost of $272.95 before the current year's over. Does Aave really have a future? Aave is one digital currency that will have a brilliant future, which is genuinely critical. Riding the crypto wave, Aave will govern the crypto realm. Thus, for the purpose of installment, it would have a long rule. Is Aave better than Bitcoin? With regards to exchange speed and charges, Aave is without a doubt genuinely better compared to Bitcoin. The typical time taken for handling an exchange by Aave certainly is not really 2.5 seconds, far in front of Bitcoin, in spite of mainstream thinking. Will Aave Cost reach $1,000? As per some cost expectations, we could see the Aave Cost